In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate your Mailchimp domain in our complete 2025 guide. This process is vital to ensure that your emails are delivered with the highest possible assurance, reducing the chance of them landing in spam folders. We'll walk through this step by step, so let's get started. First, head over to Mailchimp.com. In the top right corner, you'll see the login option. Click that, enter your credentials, and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the dashboard. Now move to the bottom left and click on your profile icon. Here, select Account and Billing. This step takes you to another section where you'll find the Settings option in the left-hand menu. Click on Settings and then Domains. We're now ready to add your domain. Click on the Add and Verify Domain button. This is where you'll enter your business email address, such as your name at yourdomain.com. After you've done that, click Send Verification Email. This step is crucial as you'll need to check your email inbox for a message from Mailchimp. Look for the verification email and click the Verify Domain link included. Once this is completed, your domain should appear under the Verified Domain section, confirming that it has been successfully verified. Now let's move on to authenticating your domain by updating the DNS settings with your domain provider. These could be GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, or perhaps Cloudflare. The actual process will vary slightly depending on which provider you use, but these basic steps generally remain consistent. Next to the domain you've just verified, click on Authenticate. Mailchimp will now show you two DNS records you need to add. These are name records. The first one is used for DKIM, which helps verify message integrity. The second is an additional DKIM required by Mailchimp's 2025 updates. Note that the TXT SPF entries are no longer necessary because of the move to DKIM-based authentication. With those records in hand, go over to your domain registrar. If you're using GoDaddy, log in, select your domain, and then click DNS, followed by Manage Zones. You'll be adding a new record here. Choose CNAME and enter the details Mailchimp provided. Remember to save these changes. For other providers such as Google Domains, Cloudflare, or Namecheap, navigate to your DNS settings and add the CNAME records by following similar steps. After setting this up, it might take up to 24 hours for DNS changes to propagate fully, although it often happens much quicker. Once you believe the changes have taken effect, head back to Mailchimp's Domains page. Click on Authenticate Domain again. This action prompts Mailchimp to automatically check your DNS records. You should then see a green Authenticated label next to your domain, signaling everything is correctly set up. Now to confirm it's all working, go to Campaigns and select Create Email. Make sure your from address matches your verified domain. When ready, send a test email to platforms like Gmail or Outlook. In Gmail, to verify, click on the three dots in the top right of the email and select Show Original. If everything is correctly authenticated, you'll see this reflected here. And there you have it. Your Mailchimp domain is now authenticated and ready to go. Congratulations on completing the setup and happy